All right, how's it going? I can't share any of the footage or photos from today's commercial photography job because it's all like under wraps. It's a bit of a secretive project, private clients, private job. So I can't share any of the content that I captured from today, which I'm absolutely gutted about because it was an absolutely beautiful job. Loved it, lovely clients, amazing setting, but unfortunately can't share any of them. I've got to respect the client's wishes. But also that makes me seem like more mysterious, and it's intriguing, isn't it, when I can't share these private jobs. So at least that's a little win. So for today's video, I thought I would just talk about, like, I want to say lessons that I've learned in business, but really it's just mistakes that I've made. And one of them being very, very recent, in only being last week. It was for a food photography client, and basically I massively misunderquoted for a job because I was just busy at the time and I didn't get a detailed enough brief from the client, and I didn't educate the client either, and it ended up costing me like another 2.5 hours of my time. What happened was a client got in touch through the website. They sent me a contact form, and to be fair to them, they sent me a brief of what they wanted on this food photo shoot. At the time I was just busy editing or busy whatever I was doing, scrolling Instagram, and I just looked at the brief quickly. I was like, yeah, sound, that'll be done in an hour. So I sent them the price for an hour, told them that it'd be done in an hour, and that was that. They accepted the job. I turned up to the job last week. I hadn't educated the client either, in like fairness to them. So I hadn't told them when to prepare dishes to come out to me. I hadn't told them what I need in terms of have things set up ready to photograph. So what should have been a 1 hour photo shoot ended up being a 3.5 hour photo shoot. Obviously I only charged for the hour because that's not their fault, it's completely my fault. They gave me a brief, they told me what they wanted from the job, and I didn't educate them. I didn't go into detail with the brief, and it ended up costing me that much longer in time. So that's just like a little lesson in educating your clients. Get detailed briefs from them, tell them what you need from the shoot and what needs to be ready when you get to the shoot. For me as well, it was like I hadn't educated the client in when to have dishes ready for me, so I was spending time just hanging about waiting for the next dish to come to photograph. Again, not their fault whatsoever. They sent me a list of what they wanted and where they wanted it and the photos that they wanted, and I just quoted an hour. So completely on me. I'm just saying that in case they're watching, in all honesty. But yeah, it's completely my fault, not the client's fault. So make sure to quote properly for starters, educate your clients, and also make sure you know what type of job you're going into and get a good idea of how long things are going to take you. Tomorrow I'm back in the studio and I've got 2 commercial photography jobs on site as well. I'm going to try and get some behind the scenes footage, but they're both on site. I need all my PPE on again, so the high vis will be on, looking like I've got a real job, and I'll bring you along with me. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to film because one of them is a chemical site and one of them is like a working industrial site, so I don't know how much I'll be able to just leave my camera rolling behind me, but I'll try and get away with whatever I can, and I'll see you then. I love you, bye.